What's up, guys? It's day two of pulling my steering knuckle, and it was stuck yesterday. It was seized where the end link bolt is, where the sway bar connects to the steering knuckle. So what I did was I let it soak overnight with some penetrant, and hopefully I have some luck. Here it is again, guys. So right there is where it's stuck, and I had it soaking overnight. I'm gonna spray it again and we'll see if we can get it out today. And it's not gonna hurt it. Spray as much as you want, because we're getting rid of this and that bolt. And once we get that out, then we can move on with the rest. I don't have a dead blow hammer. I would suggest getting one if you're gonna do something like this. But let me see if I can just knock it out real fast. Is it moving? Nope. Ooh, don't do that. So, it doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Let me try some other things and I'll get back to you. Stuck as fuck. No, it didn't move at all. So most likely, I'm going to have to cut this, which I would prefer not to. Damn it! So I hammered the shit out of it, and I'm still having issues getting it out. I sprayed it again. I'm gonna see if I can soak it some more and see if that works. But chances are it won't. So I'm gonna have to see if I have a cutting wheel. So it turns out I do have a cutting wheel on my angle grinder. So I'm gonna save you guys from all the noise and I'm gonna try to get it out. So I had to go and get safety gear because the sparks was going through my shorts. So now I have some jeans on and a long sleeve. So hopefully that helps me out a little bit. Safety first, y'all. Let's see if that got us anywhere so far. There we go. So, hopefully. Okay, so I want to give you all a quick update. The freaking cutting did not help at all. But that's not the end of the world. So I cut it there. Nothing happened. So what I have to do now, I already took out the lower control arm bolt. I'm gonna take out these two, and then you can see back there the sway bar, the inner bolts. I'm taking those out, and I'm gonna bring the whole assembly out. Then I'm gonna cut that off from the inside and then knock it out. Cause this is getting replaced, the whole unit, and I have replacement parts for it. So I'm just gonna cut right through it and scrap it. Okay, so The worst thing about taking your car to a shop is having to redo the work that they did or deal with stuff that they fucked up. So I went under and tried to disassemble the sway bars, and come to find out, they stripped the shit out of one of the bolts or the nuts, and it literally is rounded off. So I can't even do anything with it. So I have to figure out a way to get that out now. And since I cut off that piece, I can't really put the car back together to take it over to the shop. So yeah, that's part of doing stuff at your house by yourself. But we'll figure it out. So I ended up having some issues, and I had to go get some more tools. And that's the good part about fixing your own cars, because you always don't have the right tool. So you end up making a trip to Harbor Freight and buying all the tools that you think you might need.
So we hit one more roadblock. So I live in an HOA neighborhood and we can't make noise, like too much noise at night. So I got those two out, but I need to get the CV axle out to get that one there. So we have to take this apart. This is the last bits that we have to get the knuckle apart, other than the sway bar end link down there. So once we can get this out, we'll be good. It's just too late now. I can't use my impact, so I'll update you guys tomorrow.